Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here to tell you that you can now use AI to automatically apply for roles. I don't know what else to say at this point. If you haven't jumped on the AI trend, I don't know what else you're doing. I literally can't sleep. This is why they call me the AI doctor. I diagnose your problem with AI and I give you an AI solution, medication. I said what I said. Chat GPT can now apply for roles for you using agent mode. So if you are interested in knowing how exactly AI is taking over the job application, then keep watching, subscribe for more. Comment if you want to know other use cases of agent mode, because the things that agent mode can do is literally blowing my mind. I'm just going to walk you through the steps on how to use ChatGPT to apply for your roles. And I also want to give you guys some information of what agent mode is and how it works. We'll get right into it. So the first thing you have to do is prepare your resume. Make sure that it is in a format that is easily downloaded. So basically PDF, Word documents, fine. And you can actually upload that directly on ChatGPT. The next step is for you to switch to agent mode. Now, this is only available for the Pro account or the Teams account. The only thing I will tell you is that agent mode only has 40 prompts, which is just not enough. And I didn't realize there was that limit. The first time I got it, I was just like prompting, because I had all these ideas on what we can use agent mode for. So now, according to OpenAI, agent mode actually utilizes a virtual computer to complete tasks. In the current iteration of it, it'll always ask you for permission before completing certain sensitive tasks. The next thing you're going to do is prompt, authenticate as needed, and then filter your job search and basically watch AI do everything in the background. So let's get started, shall we? When you want to use agent mode, you just go into ChatGPT and then you press this plus sign, upload your resume, and then you go here and you select agent mode. You are going to go and put in this prompt. I'll read out the prompt to you, but of course, if you want the prompt, just comment down below and I will send it to you, or send me an email and I will send it to you. Or go to my Instagram and comment down below so that, the automation will send it to you. First of all, I told it you are an automated AI job search assistant, right? When giving it its role, ChatGPT always works better when you tell it what it is. So for instance, people say stuff like, you are a marketing agent with 20 years experience. So this is it. You're putting ChatGPT in the mode of what you want it to do for you. And then you say, go to LinkedIn and search for 10 current job openings that strongly match my resume. For each suitable role, gather the job title, the company name, the location, and a short summary of responsibilities. Pre-fill the LinkedIn Easy Apply form using my resume, pause before final submission, and present me with the job details, the pre-filled application information, and all of that stuff. And of course, you ask ChatGPT to confirm or edit each application before submitting. Optimize applications to highlight my most relevant experience for each role. Ensure all activity is tracked in a simple list so I can see which jobs have been applied to, which are pending my confirmation, and which are skipped. And then we need present a summary list in a .csv form for me to track. I don't know if you guys have seen the video where I did kind of like a skit where I was like, oh, you've applied for 259 applications and you don't know who is calling. Agent mode takes away that stress. Now with agent mode, you have to be very specific. It's not like GPT-5 where you can just like, oh, this is wrong, let me edit the prompt. Be sure of what you're doing so you don't waste your prompts. Every prompt reduces your number of overall prompts. Does that make sense? Okay. And so we're gonna go ahead and send that prompt through. So it says it's thinking. Think on, agent mode. It says understood, and it tells you step by step what it's going to do in a virtual screen. So you can literally look at it. But look at this. It's going to LinkedIn on your behalf. So it doesn't do anything without your permission. But once it's like up and rolling, you can be doing other things and check on it. The way you can use agent mode to get clients is another hack that I can't wait to show you. It's saying that there are 13,000 research scientist roles, 6,000 epidemiologist jobs. I'm sure it's looking at this globally too. You can also probably prompt it to look for stuff in Australia, but if you're looking for remote roles, there you go. Would you have known this? I don't think so. I've seen cases where people even tell agent mode to act fast, but I don't want you to act fast. Hey, I got time. I got time. Look at me crossing my leg on my chair. Where's my matcha? I have got time, agent mode. Take your time. Give me the best results, fam. Now it's opening the LinkedIn site. It's probably going to ask me for my login very soon. You can see like it's looking for lecturer research roles. It's like having an assistant that does stuff for you. So you're watching that assistant and be like, what are you doing? You can actually stop it and say, So for instance, it's doing its thing, and you're like, it's taking too long. What's happening? You can actually be like, how is it going so far? I think I just want to show you guys how cool it is. And it's just like, let me do my thing. I have a process. Okay, agent mode. This is probably like the silliest AI video ever. You guys, I'm not the most serious AI person. I just love tech and software. All right, so it's finished, and it said it worked for 2 minutes. Felt longer than that, but below is a list of 10 job openings that align with your expertise in epidemiology, biostatistics, clinical trial coordination, research leadership. For your job, I've summarized the responsibilities, blah, blah, blah. So it's come up with lecturer at Monash University, clinical trials coordinator, associate clinical trials manager, PhD postdoc, and basically all the roles that it came up with. But I wanted to apply for me. Next step, consent and check. Review the job details and draft answers above. Let me know which applications you'd like me to proceed with or edit. Once you can confirm, it will navigate back to. So I'm just going to tell it, I confirm all, and you can navigate back to LinkedIn and proceed with applying. All right, now it's going to actually go to LinkedIn, put in the application. So let's see how that works. It's thinking. It's going to open LinkedIn. Normally it'll ask you for your login. So you're going to say take over. When you say take over, you're about to control Chat GPT's browser. It won't take screenshots. It's all the security stuff, and you say I understand, because you do. When you say I understand, it's going to take you to the screen so you can log into LinkedIn. Okay, so we're in, and I'm just going to say finish controlling, and it's going to go ahead. Okay, here it says I will use LinkedIn search to find the position. So all of the positions that it highlighted before, it's gonna go ahead and start applying. And do you know what's amazing about agent mode? It kind of troubleshoots itself. So it'll be like, oh, this tab isn't opening. I'm gonna try a different approach. It's like something that has cognitive abilities, which is just amazing. It actually even sets the location over there, like you can see, to Australia. Anyways, let's let agent mode do its thing and then see what it comes up with. It says the application is fully prepared for the quantitative research consultant role at Aptitude Recruitment. Here's the summary. Everything is ready. On the submit application step, would you like me to submit this application? And you just go ahead and say yes. You can type yes or just click it there. Yeah, so that's that. You get the drift. I just wanted you to actually see it apply. And when it's done, it'll actually give you a .csv file. It says your application was sent to Aptitude Recruitment. I successfully just applied for one role, and it's gonna go ahead and do the same thing for the other 10 roles. So it's gonna update the CV as you go, but it'd be good for me to open it up for you guys to see what the job tracking CV looks like. Sorry, not CV, CSV, .csv file. So that's like an Excel file to open up in Excel. Look at that. It tells you the job title, the company, the location, the status. So it's applied for one, it's pending confirmation. So it's gonna keep updating. So you don't really need to download the CSV until the final one. Let me know if you want me to try this for like Seek or Indeed. So will you be using this method at all? Did you think it was helpful? Is there any characteristics you want me to try? Do you want me to show you how I use agent mode for my business and how to get new customers using agent mode? Comment down below and I'll probably do another video for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Bye.